Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nazatul Afrika binti Nasri from the Faculty Board Environment UiTM Arab. This is my final year project title, which is the assessment of topographic effect for soil erosion control in highland agriculture. It focused on how topography influences soil erosion risk in the highland agriculture zone of Lodging Highland, Malaysia, and how GIS and Rosley model help manage it more sustainable. To begin with, the highland agriculture zones, especially in lodging, experience soil erosion due to steep slope, high rainfall, and poor land management. These topographic characteristics cause faster runoff and sediment transport, threatening soil productivity and environmental health. Hence, identifying erosion prone area is critical for planning mitigation strategies. This brings to the aim of this research. The study aimed to examine the impact of topography on soil erosion in the agricultural landscape of the Lodging Highland, Malaysia using the Rosley model to quantify soil loss and identify erosion-prone area for improved land management strategies. The objective include of the first one is to assess the effect of topographic factor on soil erosion risk using Rosley parameters, and the second one is to develop recommendation for land management practice that can help mitigate soil erosion to topographically vulnerable agriculture areas. Moving on to the methodology, the study was conducted in three major phases of assess soil erosion in the Lodging Highland using Rosley Integrate in GIS. The first phase is data collection and begin with by collecting topographic and environmental data for the study area, which is drone or UAV mapping was conducted to capture high resolution surface model, then get the satellite imagery, digital elevation model, and land use map were also obtained. And the last one, all dataset were referenced to WGS 84 UTM zone to ensure spatial consistency. The second phase is data processing. In this phase, I'm using ArcGIS Pro to process and generate the five Rosley parameters. The first one is R for rainfall erosivity that derive from historical rainfall data using empirical equation. The second one, K, which is soil erodibility that based on existing soil type data and values published by the Department of Agriculture. Then the LS factor, which is slope, length, and steepness that calculate using the DEM to represent the influence of terrains on erosion. And next is C factor, which is cover management factor that extract from supervised classification of land use using remote sensing imagery. And the last one is P factor that support, which is mean the support practice factor based on land management strategies inferred from the land use type. All raster layer were standardized to 30-meter resolution and resampled to ensure alignment during map overlay operation. And the third phase, we continue with the spatial analysis and soil loss estimation. Finally, all five factors were multiplied pixel by pixel using the Rosley equation, which is A equal to R multiplied with K multiplied with LS and multiplied with C multiplied with P. This yield a spatial map of soil erosion risk which was then categorized into five risk levels. risk level, means the very low, low, moderate, high, and very high, based on national erosion guidelines. Looking at the LS factor map, we observe that the highest LS value align the area of steep terrain and long slope line, especially on hill shoulder and valley side. Then the CMP factor maps that further revealed that urban and mixed agriculture area had higher erosion potential, and forest region which dominate the landscape show significantly lower erosion risk due to dense canopy cover and better ground protection. Let's now look at the first key factor, R, which is the rainfall erosivity factor. The R factor represents the intensity and erosive power of rainfall in the study area. It is one of the most important parameters in the Rossby equation, especially in tropical regions like Malaysia where high rainfall intensity that can greatly increase the soil erosion. In this study, the R factor was calculated using long-term precipitation data collected from two rainfall stations around the Lodging Highland. The data was then interpolated using ordinary kriging in ArcGIS Pro to create a continuous rainfall sensitivity map. And the rainfall data were used in year of 2024. The results show darker color for higher gradients equal to higher R value, and the lighter zones equal to lower rainfall erosivity. Based on LUSC classification on the poster, the study area includes five major land cover types, which is forest, urban, water body, road, and the cropland. Among these, forests dominate and plays a crucial role in soil protection, while cropland are the most erosion prone due to reduced vegetation cover and slope exposure. These LUSC classifications were used to assign C and P factor value in the Rossby model. The final soil loss map showed that certain high elevation farming zones in lodging are highly erosion prone, while forest areas show lower erosion risk. This visual classification helped prioritize zones for land management interventions. Finally, this research successfully demonstrates how topographic variables, especially slope and elevation, significantly impact the soil erosion rate in highland agriculture areas. Using Rossby integrated with GIS, we are able to generate accurate erosion. I am able to generate accurate erosion risk map, identify critical hotspots, and recommend management practice based on spatial risk level. Ultimately, this research contributes to better catchment management, agriculture sustainability, and environmental conservation in Malaysia's fragile highland ecosystem. So, thank you for attention. And this study would not be possible without the support of my supervisor, SRGS Nur Fatika Talib, and the facility that provided by UiTM Arab. Thank you so much.